What's on guys, make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online on different related topics. So in this video I want to share how will you turn on $0 to $200 per day from any corner of the world. In my total video I want to share about 5 websites to start your journey without any types of hesitation or any types of investment over here. So pay close attention to complete this video for start earning in this pandemic situation. So most of the people are losing their jobs during this bad situation. So let's get started. Alright, this is my make money online. If you are a newbie and if you are a beginner first time, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more with your friend and family members. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please like and keep watching. Alright, this is the first website. This teespring.com. It's a professional marketplace to submit your all types of designs for earning extra cash without any types of previous knowledge or graphical knowledge to make a design for submitting on teespring.com. Take a look over here. If you come to this, there are lots of categories over here, and first of all, this one is apparel, home decor, socks, phone cases, accessories, mugs over here. First of all, if you click on this apparel, you will be able to get lots of subcategories over here. This one is adventure, animal lover, apparel, artist, beer, for a case, funny, hipster, hobbies, holidays, hoodies, lots of categories or subcategories over here. If you come to this one, home decor, and this one is canvas, prints, pillows, posters, tapestries all over here, and this one is socks and phone cases and accessories over here. So what should you do? Come here. If you come to this website, first of all you have to create an account on teespring.com. Just go to this Google and type teespring.com, and after creating an account on this platform, you have to make a design for submitting for sharing extra cash or earning more and more from any corner of the world. So first of all, you have to create this one, start earning over here. Alright, lots of products are available as you can see here, and you have to choose what type of product you have to design. So this one category is home, accessories, apparel, and these are catalog you have to choose from here. This one is poster, and this one is also pillow cover, and this one is canvas print, and this one is also lots of accessories, and this one is apparel over here, and this one is categories. I think you have to choose first of all. And now I would like to share how you will create a design. Just I have chosen this one, start design. This one is a pillow cover, and start designing, and after that you will get this amazing feature. Now you can upload on 2 OS. First of all, if you have ability to make a design by using Photoshop or Illustrator, just click on this add image from get your picture from your computer, or on the other hand you can create a new design. Just click on this add text over here. Now you can write any types of text over here. Just press on this icon, and I have written a text on this way here, and you can drag and drop just like this, and you can increase the size of this text over here. And this one you can also change the color from here, and on the other hand will also different types of font. If you want to delete this one, just click on this here, and this one is the font name. You can choose from here this one, and there are lots of fonts over here. You can choose like this. So you have to choose this one from here, and this one is the color, and this one is bold and italic, and this one is also underlined. So this one is the color picker. You can choose any color from here like this easily, just for free. Okay, and this one is the imaging, I think. So this is the best and easiest way to make any types of design on CAPTCHAS.com. So after doing this, and just click on here, and this one is preview, and boom, this is the best and easiest way to make a pillow cover design like this. So this one is font and this one is back cover over here. And after doing this one, if you want to use any types of color from here, just click on this plus icon like this, and this one is color picker over here like this one, and this one is also preview from here. And this is the best and easiest way to change or use any types of color from here, or from the color picker. Just done over here. Then this is the best and easiest way to make a new design on CAPTCHAS.com. So this one is continue over here. Alright, a new design has been created on this CAPTCHAS.com. Just you have to write a title over here, pillow cover, or some pillow cover. Alright, this is my title, and now I like to copy from here, and you have to you have to write a description about this pillow cover, price, all things, sizes over here, and you can do it easily over here. And after doing this one is public, and this one is also URL, and I will add it later. And this one is published listing over here. This product has been listed like this. So generated product image for your listing, saved all product images, and preparing your listing over here. So this is the best and easiest way, I think. And this, the size of this 16 inch, or you can change the sizes from here. The price of this $25.99. If you sell like this one, just I would like to calculate if the price 25.99, I think 99, and if you sell at least 10 products over here like this per day, you will get $259.90 from this only one product. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to sell without any types of hesitation, or without any types of tossing of all the products from any corner of the world. So you can start your journey over here. So this is the best and easiest way to use CAPTCHAS.com for making any types of design like this. So now I would like to share another one. This is called Canva.com. This is the second website or platform to make any types of design on this Canva.com for free. You can start your journey over here without any types of hesitation. First of all, you have to create an account on this Canva.com, and just click on this create a design. So I have written here on this t-shirt. You can make lots of designs, or plenty of designs after following this platform over here. First of all, you have to choose this one. Now I have chosen this one, and just I love mom, and you can increase or decrease like this. Also you can change the color from here. This one is the font size. You can use any types of font over here. And this one is also color from color picker. Change the color picker from here. This one, lots of color over here. So I have chosen this one, and you can also board this one, and this one is also italic. And you can also use effect from here like this. So after doing this one, you have to download from this design for uploading on CAPTCHAS.com, and just click on this download over here. You have to select this one from here, transparent background PNG, if you want to upload this text or design on tsprint.com, you have to upload on transparent background like png only. So mind it. Now I like to share another website. This is called ses.com. ses.com is the pretty cool and amazing website for submitting your audiobook on here. And if you have an audiobook, if you want to earn like this more and more, you can use this platform, I think ses.com. If you want to know more and more, you will be able to learn about this ses.com. First of all, you can work as a authors as narrators or as a print publishers or audio publishers or agents or studio professionals. So there are lots of reviews over here, and there are lots of teachers who will help you to submit your audiobook over here. And now I recommend you to make a account on this ses.com to submit your audiobook for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. Now I like to share another website. This is called snapwire.com. snapwire.com is such types of website you can earn from this amazing website to submit a visual content production, I think. So this is called one of the best website for submitting a visual content production platform. So you can earn extra cash from this website. But remember, before creating an account, you must read all the criteria from here and then jump on this platform. These are the creators and countries and completed briefs and visual assets over here, and you can start your journey on this platform over here. Now I like to share the final website. This is called another website, I mean video.io. This one is amazing feature. I think you can also search your job after creating your account on video.io. If you come to this website, just click on this jobs over here, and there are lots of categories jobs you can choose from here. Senior software engineer on iOS. There are lots of categories over here, and also you have to read the qualifications and rule about their website. Senior software engineer Android, and this one is machine learning research engineer. This one is product designer UX or UI, as senior software engineer JavaScript or Node.js. So I think these are the best and amazing websites to ensure extra cash. As you can see here, you can start your journey by using any types of websites, I mean tsprint.com, or on the other hand, second one is canva.com, third one is scx.com, fourth one is snapwire.co, and on the other hand, this one is the final, I mean video.io. So thanks for watching my videos till the end. If you did not subscribe my channel, please click the bell button after subscribing on my Make Money Online, and please like, share more and more with your friends and family members. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.